In this video, I'll show you how to unpublish a page in Shopify. As an example, let's take a look at the Contact Us page on my site. As you can see, it's currently visible to any visitor. Let's say we need to temporarily hide it. So in order to do that, first we'll log into Shopify admin account, then select Online Store, and then click on Pages. Now look for the page that you would like to hide. In my case, is this one, Contact Us. Let's open it. Once the page editor loads, at the top right corner, look for the visibility section. Now change it from visible to hidden, and then save the changes. Now allow a few minutes for the changes to update, then go back to your website and try refreshing the page. And as you can see, the Contact Us page is not accessible, and it now shows the page not found error message. Alternatively, if you would like to hide multiple pages at the same time, in that case, once again, go back to the Shopify admin, then click on the Online Store, then select Pages. Now select multiple pages. As in my case, I'll select About Us and the Frequently Asked Questions, and then click on Set as Hidden. And that's it, all these pages will not be accessible to the visitors. So as usual, I hope you found this video useful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.